By working in partnership with the Natural History Museum and Microsoft has allowed us to build a Power BI solution that's already delivering significant value across the museum and changing the way that they work, saving people time, and shown how Power BI can be used to enable an organisation to build out their digital twin.
What we did was understand what their needs were through wireframing sessions, through workshops, and we selected the estates team and the retail team to deliver some Power BI reporting that enabled them to understand how they actually performed in those areas.
What we were finding is individual departments across the museum just using data in their own sort of siloed way.
So we had 80 odd business systems, and in most cases that data was locked in that system. So you had limited ways of visualizing and viewing and understanding what was going on.
It was taking about 10.5 hours every week just to produce the reports. So the real focus was on automating the information from both our till system and from our visitor data system, bring those two together to create some real-time dashboards and some visual information to enable the teams to make decisions on a daily, weekly and a strategic basis.
Construction and property management has always been very graphically based. So when you present somebody with pages and pages of spreadsheets, it's going to take an awful lot of effort to then translate and understand that information in the context of the building. The beauty of the solution is that it transforms that grid of information into a graphical set of data overlaid on the drawing, and that's immediately understood.
When we moved into the actual delivery, being able to call on technical experts within Microsoft and the product group to really understand the art of the possible, it's allowed us to build a rounded solution that is potentially much more than just a data analytics or a BI solution. We're able to work with them on the life cycle and the journey and help run and maintain this solution for the long term.
I don't think people actually know what they wanted to see, and it's only until it got visualized did they actually begin to understand it and actually see how good it was.
It's amazing how powerful the same data can be when you put it into context, or if you put it into a much more engaging format.
It actually visualizes it to see the truth.
The strongest asset we have are the people inside the business. Putting that with the technology from Microsoft and the training from Microsoft to enable our great people to get the most from the technology.
This project directly led to a data community and a focus on the awareness of the benefits of sharing and owning data across the teams.
Building that community across the museum and having a trusted partner in Simpsons that are helping encourage that environment has been a fantastic part of this project. That, for me, is a great example of changing the culture and changing how we do things at really practical, real level.